Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating iOS and authenticating into settings because consistent software avoids registration errors. Once done, choose Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. Make sure one face is centered, eyes open, and remove sunglasses. You want accurate scans. Position the phone at arm's length and tap Set up an alternate appearance. This first actionable step captures a second distinct facial profile without deleting the primary one, so you maintain both identities on the iPhone 15. You now perform the scanning routine. Follow the on-screen circle and rotate your head slowly to complete a full face map. Make sure to keep consistent distance. Too close or far can cause a failed attempt. If prompted, repeat the second scan immediately to improve accuracy. Once finished, iOS stores both biometric templates. This enables you to unlock with either look. Remember, alternate appearance is best for significant style differences, not minor changes, to reduce false rejects. You finish by testing unlock reliability. Try both faces in different lighting and typical angles you use. If one face fails frequently, go back to Settings Face ID and Passcode and reset Face ID, then redo both registrations carefully. Make sure attention-aware features are set how you prefer. Enabling them improves security, disabling helps ease recognition with masks or glasses. If problems persist, clean the true depth sensor and repeat scans. That usually resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.